Looking for the best plants for your vertical wall garden? Vertical wall gardens are an innovative and space-saving way to bring greenery into your life. They combine aesthetics with functionality, making gardening possible even in smaller spaces. Let's dive into our top 5 plants perfect for your vertical wall garden. First on our list is the pothos. Known for its durable, heart-shaped leaves and adaptable nature, pothos thrives with minimal care. Its trailing vines are a visual delight, making it a superb choice for vertical gardens. With its lush, cascading leaves, the pothos brings a touch of the tropics to any vertical garden. Next up, we have ferns. Known for their adaptability, ferns thrive in various conditions. Their care is straightforward, requiring indirect light and consistent moisture. With their lush, textured fronds, they're a fantastic addition, bringing a touch of the wild to your vertical garden. Ferns add a beautiful texture and lushness to your vertical garden. Third on our list, succulents. These charming plants are unique. They're robust and they don't need much care. This makes them ideal for vertical gardens. What's more, they bring a vibrant splash of color and an interesting texture. Succulents offer a pop of color and an interesting texture to your vertical garden. Fourth, let's talk about ivy. This climbing plant is known for its vigorous growth and beautiful evergreen foliage. Ivy thrives with minimal sunlight and regular watering. Its adaptability and elegant look make it a classic choice for vertical wall gardens. Ivy gives your vertical garden a classic, timeless look. Last but not least, air plants. These charming plants thrive without soil, drawing nutrients from the air. Their minimal care needs make them a superb choice for vertical gardens. Air plants bring a unique and modern twist to your vertical garden. There you have it, the top 5 plants for your vertical wall garden. To recap, we've got the easy-to-care-for pothos, the lush ferns, the hardy succulents, the evergreen ivy, and the unique air plants. Each brings its own charm and benefits, transforming your space into a green haven. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!